My name is Charles Barber, and I am founder and formulator at Crucial 4, and I've spent the last 15 years diving deep into the science of food manufacturing and sourcing. And one of the number one things that comes up for me is show me the numbers. People want to know what's the contamination, what's the process. And however, most people that sell products in the supplement industry have no idea about this step of the process. That's something that I've focused on for 15 years, and it's what separates Crucial 4 from everybody else. I see so many sacrifices that we all make in order to get the nutrition that we desire, to help fill in those nutritional gaps. But at Crucial 4, you don't have to make sacrifices. And let me elaborate. What sacrifices are you talking about, Charles? Well, sacrifices like questionable ingredients inside products, maybe because it's convenient. Certain processes that make products mix easier, like agglomeration. These types of processes we do not adhere to at Crucial 4 because we believe nature left alone is in perfect balance. And the key is to find that piece of nature that hasn't been contaminated. Now, we can't sit here and say that we live in the most pristine world, right? We know our earth has got hit heavy. Mother Earth, man, we polluted her. However, there are certain areas that still have that integrity, that God print, if you will, of originality, that authenticity. And that's something that I really look for. I mean, that's my number one checkbox when I'm looking at bringing on new products or just looking at products in general that I don't offer. You know, other things for my family and friends and myself, obviously, right? So just note, at Crucial 4, we're not adhering to this sacrifice of, oh, well, it's good, but it's got natural flavors in it, and I'll take it anyways. Oh, it's good, but it's got synthetic minerals in it. Oh, it's good, but it's got fillers in it. Oh, it's good, but the herbs are extracted with methane and hexane and nasty solvents. At Crucial 4, you don't have to worry about that ever. We're looking for nature left alone in its perfect equilibrium, its perfect balance. Because we feel that once you're in balance or we are in balance, then things operate at full throttle, allowing us to live limitlessly and to change the trajectory of where we're going. Because if we were to look at the data, we definitely need to make a shift. And in order to be the change we wish to see, it's just that. We must become that. And if we're putting things into our body, if we're making purchases that don't adhere with our standards that we maybe admire to have or just that we want to have, then we are feeding the trajectory of where we're going and not becoming the change we wish to see. I'm trying not to be too philosophical here, but I hope that made sense. And if you're just now watching this video or watching some of our videos and you would like to learn more about what we do, please like and subscribe. You'll get new updates. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. I'm big on listening to what you guys say. It's what has helped me develop Crucial 4. So without your comments, without your concerns, without your questions, I would not be here now with you guys developing the most nutrient dense, pure, concentrated products in the world. God bless.